So I have to tell you something. I was literally paying for the OpenAI API last month, every single token. And then I found this setting, one toggle, that gives you 10 million free tokens every day on real OpenAI models. And most people have no idea this even exists. In this video, I'll share the exact steps to enable it, how the daily quota actually works, and what you absolutely should not use it for. Stay till the end, the billing part matters. Hey guys, my name is Kashif and let's get in this. Okay, quick reality check. OpenAI has no free tier for the API, no trial period, no free plan, nothing. You sign up, add a card, pay per token. So if you're learning, experimenting, or just trying to build a side project, you're burning money just to figure things out. This is why so many developers I know just stopped using it altogether. Or they use the ChatGPT Plus subscription, which is the chatbot, not the API, and it's not same. But there is a program that gives you free API tokens daily on actual production models. It's called the Data Sharing Program, and it's been sitting in your OpenAI dashboard this whole time. Open this URL, you can find all the links in the description. Log in, go to your organization settings. On the left sidebar, look for data controls. Click it. You'll see a section called Share Inputs and Outputs with OpenAI. By default, it's disabled. Toggle it on. Now, here's the important check. After you enable it, look for this message. You're enrolled for complimentary daily tokens. If you see that, you're in. You qualify. If you don't see it, you're not eligible yet. Eligibility depends on your account tier, but still worth enabling. Eligibility can change. Okay, so what do you actually get? There are two groups of models. Group 1, lightweight models, GPT-4 O Mini, GPT-4.1 Mini, GPT-4.1 Nano, O4 Mini, O1 Mini, Codex Mini latest. You get 10 million free tokens per day. For tier 1 and 2 accounts, it's 2.5 million, still massive. Group 2, flagship models, GPT-4o, GPT-4.1, O1, O3, GPT-5 Mini, GPT-5, GPT-5 Chat latest. You get 1 million free tokens per day. Tier 1 and 2 get 250,000, and the most important part, this counter resets every night at midnight UTC. So this isn't a trial. It's not a one-time thing. It refreshes every single day, ongoing, as long as the program runs, and they promise 30 days notice before stopping. And before I tell you the catch, let me show you what you can actually build with this. Because 10 million tokens per day, that's not just for experiments. Developers are shipping real products on this quota. Here's the catch. When you turn on data sharing, everything you send through the API, inputs, outputs, prompts, gets used by OpenAI to train and improve their models. Which means don't use this for client work, company data, personal sensitive info, unpublished code, anything you wouldn't want OpenAI to see. Also, zero data retention accounts cannot opt in at all. There's also a billing quirk you need to know. It's not a simple bucket you slowly drain. Before each request, OpenAI checks your running daily total. If one single request would push you over the limit, that entire request gets billed at normal rates. So for very large requests, watch your daily usage counter. For normal app size requests, you won't even get close. Two more things. 1. Fine-tune models, tool use, and evals are not included. Raw completions only. 2. You need a positive account balance to use any OpenAI model. The free tokens don't activate on a zero balance account. Add a small amount, even $5, and you're set. That said, I think it's still a fair trade. OpenAI gets better training data. You get 10 million tokens per day for learning and building. Just be smart about what you send through it. Don't use it for sensitive or client work. Do use it for learning, building, and shipping. Drop a comment, tell me what you're building with the free tokens. And if you want to go further, I made a full video on how can you make Claude in God mode. Click on it and watch, and I'll catch you in the next one.